Good morning, everyone. It's hike day. Yay! So Crystal and I are going hiking today. I got to pick her up from work at 3, so we can't go too far. So we're going to do kind of an HRM in the city kind of hike. And we are going to Hobson Lake Brook Falls. And it's a waterfall in the city. I don't know how much water there's going to be in this waterfall because we haven't had a whole lot of rain this summer. But it's a hike and we're going. And there may be a waterfall. You're going to find out when we do. Anyway, so that's where we're going. See you soon. Everybody, so I'm heading off to pick up Crystal at work and we're going hiking. Yay! So we came up the Kearney Lake Rd and turned left onto Belle Street. And at the very top of Belle Street is this parking lot. And there's a trail there to the left, but we're actually going to take this trail to the right. Ready, Crystal? Really nice worn trails in here to follow and a map. This one built-in set of steps up the side of the hill here. It's cool. The lake, but we're going to keep following this trail just to the right till we get up to the brook. What is that sound? I don't know. We're way through Stonehenge here. Wrapping. Maybe the brook, and if it is, it's completely dry, so I doubt there's any waterfalls up there. It's like bone dry. Fall and the brook were a bust because there's simply no water in it. So we're going to continue hiking around this lake, Hobson's Lake. That's some giant tree root, isn't it? Holy crap, man. back up onto the path. What is it?
That must mean something. It's kind of like the other.
Came to a fork in the road, but that one has a tiny little white sign up there that says Portage, which is heading down to Fox Lake, but we're going to see it on route instead of going down there. This is Fox Lake. There's all the little islands out there. Yeah, Fox Lake look off. There's another sign down there. It says look off. It's freaking cool. We've opted for the stone fireplace route back to the parking lot. Apparently there is a stone fireplace in here somewhere. This could be the stone fireplace. Oh, there is a stone fireplace here. That must be if you want to come and have a stone fire. We're heading back to the parking lot now. These hiking trails are really amazing. They are well marked. If you're not sure when you come to a fork in the road, don't worry. There will be a map. The maps are easy to read, and we followed them to exactly where we wanted to go each time. So highly recommend these trails. The Hobson Lake, I think it's the Blue Mountain Trail System,
Yeah.
and Kearney Lake. Really, really good trails. Lighting there. Every time you come to a fork in the road where there's a choice of trails, there is always a map to lead you out and tell you where you're at. I'm almost out. No water. It's pretty dry. I hope you enjoyed our hike to Hobson Lake Brook Waterfalls. Even though there was no waterfalls today, it's a really great trail system in here, and I hope you'll follow me on my next adventure. So if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. And if not, just click that little button, and we'll see you next time.